Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix we can't sign in to our account. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Under profile list, you can able to see your profile registry keys. As you can see, my profile registry keys, profile username is listed in profile image path and same thing under here. If you see in your profile image path temp directory, as you can see temp directory is listed in my profile image path, then you just need to right click on the registry key and select delete option guys. Select yes. After deleting it, you can able to see dot back registry key. Just right click and select rename option and just backspace this .bak and press enter, and now you good to go guys. Just close stuff here. As you can see, there is no temp path in profile image path, and just to close stuff here and restart the PC. After restarting, our problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.